You're listening to Listen Story with Raya. Close your eyes and let the story begin.
The announcement was calm, almost careless. Next station, Shantinagar. People reacted the way they always do. Bags moved closer, shoes were adjusted, messages were typed quickly. Lives prepared to continue. But the train didn't slow. It crossed the platform, lights flashed, a blur of faces, a name board that disappeared too quickly to read. The station was gone. At first, no one panicked. Someone laughed. Someone shrugged. Signal issue, a man said. Railway hai, another replied. The digital screen blinked. Next station, Shantinagar.
Shantinagar.
Again. That's when silence entered the coach. Minutes passed, then more minutes. No outside noise, no crossing tracks, no horn. Just movement. The kind of movement that feels endless when you don't know where you're going. A man stood up. I was supposed to get down there. My mother is waiting. A woman near the window whispered, My whole life is there. Someone pulled the emergency chain. Nothing. No jerk, no alarm, no announcement. People checked phones. No network. No time update. Watches stopped matching each other. That's when the fear changed shape. Not loud, not dramatic. Quiet. Heavy. Hours passed. Or maybe days. No one was sure anymore. Then, something stranger happened. People stopped standing near the doors, stopped asking questions, stopped looking outside. They adjusted. Seats became sleeping spaces. Luggage became tables. Strangers learned each other's names. A child learned to walk holding the metal pole. An old man forgot which stop he was waiting for. The train kept moving. One night, under flickering lights, a boy asked his mother, "What is Shantinagar?" She didn't answer immediately. Then she said, "Some place people talk about when they want to remember who they were before they got used to moving."
Why do we have to keep moving?
The boy nodded. He didn't ask again. Weeks later, or years, the screen finally changed. Next station, unknown. No gasps, no protests. No one looked up. Because by then, no one remembered why getting down felt important.